CorpBiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching CorpBiz. In this video today, we are going to discuss about the RERA registration for agents. First of all, we'll cover the topic, what is a RERA? What are the real estate agents? The role and responsibility of real estate agent? What are the documents that is required by the real estate agent if they are going for the RERA registration? What is the whole registration procedure? What is the validity period and the penalty? So let's begin the video. Real estate agents. A real estate agent work as a mediator facilitating a transaction between a builder and a buyer. They basically work as a pipeline of the real estate industry. The primary job of a real estate agent is to crack a deal on the sale of land, apartment, building. RERA, Real Estate Regulation and Development. RERA stands for Real Estate Regulation and Development. RERA was introduced to govern and regulate the real estate property at state level. So RERA basically help in transparency and greater accountability, which help in reducing the occurrence of the fraud and the delay which occur during the real estate contracts. RERA Act 2016. RERA Act 2016, it's an act of Parliament of India which on one hand protects home buyers and on the other hand it helps boost investment in the real estate industry. So according to the RERA Act 2016, it is mandatory for the real estate agent to get them registered themselves under the RERA Act so that they can indulge in the sale and purchase of the real estate properties which falls under the section 3 of the Act. RERA registration for agents is must in cases any project where the area of development exceed 500 square meters. If the number of apartment developed is more than 8, RERA registration would be required for the project and the project can be sold only by an agent having RERA registration. Roles and responsibility of RERA agents. A RERA agent provide guidance and assist seller and buyers in marketing and purchasing the property at right price. A RERA agent is also helpful in covering the paperwork which is important at the time of sale and purchase of the property. A RERA agent is also helpful in maintaining and updating the list of the available property. A RERA agent should not include or indulge himself in the sale or purchase of the plot which does not come under the authority or does not fall under the RERA registration. And at last, the most important role is that a RERA agent also promotes the property through advertisement, open center and by listing. If a real estate agent is going for the RERA registration, then there are certain benefits that a real estate agent must know, which are as follows. Benefits of RERA. It's mandatory for real estate agent to get themselves registered under the RERA registration, but they must be also aware about the benefits of the RERA that they enjoys, which are as follows. Benefits of RERA is standardization, boost investment, transparency, timely delivery of the projects, and increases the confidence of the real estate agents. So now it's the time to discuss about the documents that will be required for all the real estate agents if they are going for the RERA registration. Name of the agent as mentioned in the PAN card, authentic address of the agent, contact details, a passport size photograph of the agent, information related to his enterprise such as name, registered address, and specific details stating the type of organization such as partnership firm, proprietorship firm, private limited, public limited or LLP with a registered number. Registration procedure for RERA registration. So now it's time to discuss about the registration procedure for the RERA agent. So if you are a real estate agent, then visit the official website of RERA of the concerned state, file an application form, submit all the requisite detail along with the documents. Then after that, a verification process will be held by the official, and then after that you have to submit the application form, and if everything goes well, means the information provided by you is authentic, then the license will be issued by the official for the same. Validity for registration. RERA registration of agent remain valid for the period of 1 year or more depending on the amount of fees paid by the agent, and agent can renew the RERA registration license if it gets expired, and in case of misinterpretation, fraud or breach conducted by the RERA agent, then the authority has the right to revoke or suspend the license. Penalty: real estate agent will be penalized if they provide false information to the buyers, and in that case the penalty will be of 10,000 rupees per day, and it can also cost 5% of the total cost of the project. So this was enough in the topic of RERA registration for agent. In future, if you are also planning for getting the registration or the license of RERA, then you can easily connect to Corpbiz, because Corpbiz deal with the easy process, with the legal proceeding and documentation process, which will make you happy and comfortable. We'll connect soon with the new informative video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.